Daddy, Daddy, look! Look ahead! This is a dead-end street. Remember what happened the last time? When you turned into this man's driveway and he got out of his house and he was mad at you? Huh? Okay, child, I have the problem solved this time. I know how to do a three-point turn, so let me pull over and stop. Then I get my driving buddy out. So if I stop the car, I'm putting it in park, and then I'm gonna go for my driving buddy kit, which I just picked up in the mail today. This is the driving buddy kit. It's got an audio version, full driving course, audio version through the CDs, and also a video version. So I'm gonna be using the CD version to do my three-point turn, so I don't have to drive into someone's driveway, because it's illegal for you to drive into someone's driveway. So here we go. Now it also tells me that okay, I need to do a three-point turn. That's it. Topic number 4 on driving buddy B. So that's driving buddy A, driving buddy B. So I'm going to insert the CD and follow the directions. I'm gonna get ready, and it's CD number 4. Welcome to driving buddy B. Number 4. Practice three-point turn. I'm leaving, so I signal. Right, slow down, check mirrors and the right blind spot. Stop close to the right side of the roadway. Keep your right foot pressed down on the brake pedal. Signal to the left. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Check all around the vehicle. If it is safe, move over as far to the left as possible, then stop. Select reverse, then turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Check all around the vehicle. If it is safe, back up until there is enough space at the front of the vehicle for you to go to the left. Then stop. Select drive. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Check all around the vehicle. Look to the left, then go there. Now, did you see that driver? He drove over on the wrong side of the road because he wanted to go to his mailbox. That's illegal, but people keep doing these things, and it's just crazy what people will do. Okay, this is the end of this demo lesson using the driving buddy CDs to do a three-point turn. Thanks for watching.